So you want an easy way to build a bench seat? I'm going to show you how to do that in this video with some modern materials. Quick, easy, light. So I'm using 2-inch kerdi-board to build my bench seat. I pre-cut all these pieces. You can use a table saw, you can use a utility knife, and that's what I used. And now I'm going to put it all together using 2-inch kerdi-board and 1/2-inch kerdi-board.
I just cut the screws on and put a couple of screws in just to hold them in place. I did that last night. I'm going to put everything together.
So I'm putting all this together with some kerdi-fix, and you can use thin set if you want. I just find it easier to use the kerdi-fix because it's in a tube, less mess, nothing to mix. But if you want, you can use thin set. So this is a pretty big bench seat in a shower because the shower is actually pretty big. This is going to be 5 feet by about 18 inches deep. And I'm just putting it all together, and then I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to continue with the rest of the shower. The adhesive I'm using is kerdi-fix. You can use thin set if you want. I just find kerdi-fix easier because it's in a tube. You don't have to mix anything. So these uprights should be no more than 16 inches apart. I marked and leveled everything off, and I put a mark on the floor and on the wall so that I would know exactly where they go without having to use a level when I glued them in. So like I said, this is just a quick little video, and so to see what goes on after this, I actually have another video that shows the mud floor going in and putting the heat in, etc. And I will put a link in the description and in the cards for that. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and leave your comments in the comments section. Also, I will leave a link to my Patreon page in the description. If you can support me, that'd be great. These videos take a lot of effort and a lot of time to make, and a little support would be really helpful. Okay, so I've also started offering some PDFs for sale. The one I have right now is the general guidelines for the installation of floors. I'll leave a link to that also in the description, and I will be doing more as soon as I have the time.
So that's the bench. Those screws are just to hold it while the kerdi-fix dries. You could even take those screws out afterwards. It just holds it in place. You could even build it without putting that in, but the screws just help hold it in place so nothing moves.